Hey, it's Roger. I'm on location at Bent Creek, Toll Brothers and Taylor Morrison. This street is right at the base of a really nice cul-de-sac with a beautiful streetscape. And Toll Brothers has a Benson. It's Homeside 35. Let's take a peek at this one. You know, they configured this very much like the model, which is smart because it's got that upstairs and really beautiful. Now, it can be built without the upstairs, and they have another spec available like that. Here's what I noticed today on the MLS. I was doing this for a client coming in town next week, and this particular house had come on their radar. Now, if you type the word Benson in my search bar, you'll see that I have videos showing the difference between the ones that have an upstairs, like this one, and the ones that don't. So they can be configured a number of different ways. This particular one, wow, 8-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings. So you've got a full bath here, and you've got a really lovely, I mean, the tall ceilings, it just makes it. That window treatment, you've got a bathroom and a bedroom right there. And then you come out very similar to the model, big, wide, open space. And then you've got basically a study. Whereas the model has a bay window here, this one doesn't, but this is great space, guys. 8-foot door openings, wow. I just fell in love with the Benson not long ago when I had a client from from Houston asking me to come and shoot the model. And then, wow, when they came in town a month or two later, I was like, wow, I really love this plan. And so the Benson can be configured a number of different ways, but just notice how open this is. And then it's got a covered patio to boot, and this particular one has those sliding doors, those like almost accordion doors, and you've got an outdoor fireplace. You're looking out into woods. This is stellar, guys. Beautiful. And so we had one bedroom up front. Then we had that big study, or it could be a living room if you choose. And then we're coming back here, and what do we got? Again, we got 10-foot top plates. And again, when I use the word top plate, you know, 10-foot ceilings, that means that top plate is at 10 feet. And there's the bottom plate, you know, down there. Man, beautiful wooded lot. Mercy. It's like my Toll Brothers house on a wooded lot. This is going to make somebody really happy. So here you've got a water closet basically to your left. It's a little difficult without drywall. You've got 2 sinks here with a transom coming up. This one's priced under $500. Then you've got no tub, just a big shower with a big bench, killer, and then a good-sized closet space. Wow, this master bedroom suite is going to provide somebody years of enjoyment. So you've got one bedroom, one kind of sitting room, office space on the main level. You've got this outdoor patio, which is ridiculous, and this wide open kitchen. There's your island right there. Wow. Wow. Beautiful, guys. And then here's what I love, how the Benson's been designed. This very large breakfast space, which is really like a dining room. So call it a dining room. That's what it feels like. Then you've got this second slider that goes out to that same common space. So this lives outside in a very large manner. Why don't you give me a call at 704-345-3400. And by the way, if you've ever seen that model, then you'll know that the pantry is a little smaller when you do the upstairs. It's got a drop zone, et cetera, et cetera. But then you have a very large coat closet here at the front, which is there, and then we go upstairs. And why don't we just go on upstairs? You know, Bent Creek is fast becoming one of my favorite neighborhoods. I've got a couple moving down from New Jersey. He works in Manhattan. In fact, they close tomorrow around the corner. Very excited for them. They found me on YouTube, probably like you did. And I just keep coming back here. I keep coming back to Bent Creek. Look at this large space, very much like the model. And then you come in here. I'm sure that's going to be the bathroom with a private door there that can be locked from that side. And a bedroom. Some storage space there. Uh-oh, don't tell me. So here's your closet for that. And then here's some. You said you wanted storage. You're trying to downsize. I know it's not that easy. By the way, there's that radiant barrier. That is put on the underneath of the roof decking. Tech Shield is the brand name of this one. Very popular. Not every builder includes it. And that keeps the temperature in your unheated space. There it is again. It equalizes it because the sun beats down and bounces back off of that, is the theory. Love this house, guys. It's the Benson. It's taking everybody by storm. So give me a call at 704-345-3400. My services to you are free as a buyer's agent, and I would love to help you in your relocation to Charlotte. I'm in Bent Creek, where Taylor Morrison and this builder, Toll Brothers, is building some really killer houses. I can't wait to talk to you soon.